Hello, my name is Shubham Sharma and I am a full-time photographer. I am based in Mumbai, particularly Navi Mumbai, and I have been doing photography since like 8 to 9 years, I guess. My personal favorite genre is definitely capturing moments of the streets. As a photographer, inspiration comes from many places, but my source of inspiration to shoot more and better every day comes from my own surrounding and the work that I do. For me, personal growth is as important as any kind of professional growth as such. The first thing that I try to do in such situations is I try not to disturb them. बिकॉज इन माई ओपिनियन लोगों को कैप्चर करना और उनके सिचुएशन या फिर उनके स्टोरीज को कैप्चर करना आर टू लिटिल बिट ऑफ डिफरेंट थिंग्स while capturing people you can interact with them, make the situation mold according to you, and to capture the situation in its raw essence, you try to keep it as raw as possible. That's what I do, because in my opinion capturing any situation, the raw essence of it should be preserved. For me personally, I don't have any such specific places, but as a person who likes to capture moments of the street, I can go to a single place multiple times, because in my opinion the thing is that every day is a different situation and a different story, so you get to capture different every single time. The thing that makes it different is how spontaneous it is. Because if you look for architecture photography or travel, the thing is that architecture photography is a thing which is completely planned. उसको like plan किया गया है, it's all set up properly before doing that thing. Architecture is something which has a structure, and the structure includes a lot of brain work going over there. And about travel photography, it is as it is. Like बचपन से जो सुनते आ रहे हैं about landscapes and other things, एक पहाड़ जैसा दिखेगा और एक पेड़ जैसा ही दिखेगा. बट फॉर द पीपल, व्हेन इट कम्स टू पीपल, स्पॉन्टेनिटी इज द बेस्ट थिंग इन माई ओपिनियन. As simple as it is, to make a photograph good, editing is definitely not important. But when it comes to you expressing what you want to from a photograph, you can use your freedom. Usually editing को cheating की तरह बोला जाता है, but in my very opinion, the thing is that editing is just another form of art, and you can be either good at it, bad at it. Practice will definitely make you good. The favorite thing that I like to do in my photos is play around with the hues to express a certain emotion that I have captured over there, or the situation that I have felt in real life. So it's always great to express such things while you have the freedom at your fingertips. Yes, I am a full-time photographer. I do that for a living. And I have been lucky enough to choose my passion as a profession. So yeah, that's how my passion is being managed right now. But for the personal life, I guess it is how it is for everyone. As of now, I don't have any such perfect shot. But these are the two photographs that I definitely like very much, because of the only one thing, like how randomly it has been captured by me, yet how significant these frames are, or in so-called terms, how perfect these frames are. So I have a very small answer for this one. Apart from all the beautiful experiences that I get while doing street photography or being on the streets, the one most significant thing that I have realized personally is that don't trust the media. It's very different when you interact with real life in real time. When I started photography, the thing that I have learned or experienced in all these years is that when you're out there with a camera, if you're doing nothing wrong, don't behave like one, because the people will suspect you. Be confident, because you're just out there trying to capture some photographs. You're doing nothing wrong. So that's it. I guess this question is for Sir Steve McGarry or Sir Vineet Vohra, because these are the two photographers that I admire a lot. But for me, I guess I'm still my amateur self right now. About my childhood, the thing is that I belong to a family of artists. My dad being a fine artist, my brother being a commercial artist, and my mom being a tailor. So I guess it's in my blood. Initially, I used to like drawing and painting pictures, but I guess by time I didn't have the patience to wait for a picture to get completed. So I guess that's how I started photography. I can never realize how I started street photography. It just happened. And the thing that I like about this is, as I said, it's how spontaneous it is, yet how significant it is. वैसे तो बहुत सारे मोमेंट्स और मेमोरीज हैं रिगार्डिंग ऑल द कॉन्वर्जेशन और इंटरेक्शन जो भी मैंने लोगों से किया है, बट एक ऐसा स्मॉल मेमोरी है जो कि बहुत ही स्वीट और स्पेशल है, बिकॉज इट वॉज फ्रॉम कुम्भारवाड़ा मुंबई व्हेन आई वाज शूटिंग अ फोटोग्राफ, अ पोर्ट्रेट ऑफ एन ओल्ड लेडी. वो अपनी बहन के साथ वहाँ पे बैठी हुई थी. शी वॉज ऑल्सो, दे बोथ वर प्रीटी ओल्ड. एंड मैंने उनसे पूछा कि कैन आई टेक योर, मतलब मैं आपका एक फ़ोटो ले सकता हूँ क्या? तो उन्होंने स्माइल करके फ़ोटो मतलब लेने बोला कि हाँ, लाइक ठीक है ले लो. एंड उनमें एक जो दादी थी उनका एक्चुअली दांत नहीं था, सो शी वॉज ट्राइंग टू हाइड हर स्माइल. एंड मैंने उन्हें बोला कि आप प्लीज़ स्माइल करो आप. एंड शी स्माइल एंड इट वाज लाइक द क्यूटेस्ट पोर्ट्रेट दैट आई हैव पिक्चर्ड. एंड उसके बाद व्हाट हैपेंड इज लाइक शी वाज ईटिंग अ पीस ऑफ कोकोनट. उन्होंने मुझे वो ऑफ़र किया एंड एक दो बार से सर पे शाबाशी दी एंड गिव मी अ ब्यूटीफुल स्माइल. एंड ऑब्वियसली बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल मोमेंट था ये चीज़ फॉर मी. And what makes it more special is that I remember that photograph in my memory because I lost that photograph in a hard disk failure. Definitely self-taught photographers are doing very great. And the thing about self-learning is that it still requires a lot of teaching from many places. यहाँ पे बस एक ही चीज़ होता है कि that you don't have a direction. That thing you have to find it on your own self. And about me, I'm still learning photography in general, but when I started, it was just about me taking a camera and running around places to capture the frames and whatever it is.